when polynomial 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 10x minus 3, when this polynomial is divided by another polynomial, say gx, the quotient is 2x plus 1 and the remainder is 8x minus 5 respectively. Find gx. So let's see how do we solve these type of polynomial questions. Now we know that our polynomial px, so px is this guy over here, this is our polynomial px. We are dividing this polynomial by another polynomial gx, which is what we're trying to find out. When we do this division, the question is telling us that when we do the division, we get a quotient which is qx, and the quotient polynomial is this guy over here, 2x plus 1, and we also get a remainder, and our remainder polynomial is over here. So now we know that there is a relationship that exists among all these four polynomials. And what is that? It is simply, this is the dividend, this is the divisor, this is the quotient, this is the remainder. So we know that we can always write the dividend as, this is the dividend, we can write the dividend as the divisor multiplied by the quotient plus the remainder. Now this is true for all kinds of divisions, right? So simply the dividend equals divisor times quotient plus remainder. So now what we can do, we can take Rx on the other side of the equality sign over here. So then we will have Gx times Qx equal to Px minus plus Rx will become minus Rx. And now we can simply divide both sides by the polynomial Qx. So what we will get here is that, so the Qx will cancel out on this side. So we will be left with Gx, and Gx will be simply equal to Px minus Rx divided by Qx. In other words, if we can actually solve this, we will find Gx, which is what we are trying to find out. Now let's clean this up and actually do this division. So now let's write all the polynomials here. So first we want to do Px minus Rx, right? So let's do it over here. So we have 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 10x minus 3. So we want to subtract this. So this minus 8x minus 5. So this is Px minus Rx. When we do this, what do we get? We get 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 10x minus 3 minus 8x plus 5. Or in other words, this will give us 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 10x minus 8x will be simply plus 2x, and 5 minus 3 will be plus 2. So this is basically Px minus Rx. And now we want to divide this by Qx. When we do that, we are going to find out our Gx over here. So we want to divide this by Qx, the quotient, which is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. So now let's go ahead and do this division. So we have 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x plus 2. And we divide this by, let's maybe change the color here. So we divide this by 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. So the first term we divide this by this, so we will get x squared here. So x squared times this will be 2x cubed. X squared ones up plus x squared. So when we subtract, this will cancel out. We'll get minus 4x squared plus 2x plus 2. A minus 4x squared divided by 2x will be minus 2x. So minus 2x. So when we multiply, we will get minus 4x squared. And then minus 2x times 1 is minus 2x. When we subtract, so what happens is this cancels out. So 2x, 2x, 4x plus 2. This 2 comes down. Now 4x divided by 2x is plus 2. When we do plus 2, so we will get 4x. And 2 times 1 is 2. So when we do the subtraction, so both of the term cancels out and 0 is our remainder. So we see that when we do this division, we get x squared minus 2x plus 2, and this will be our gx.